Now by the time this video is over, you'll know how to earn $1,200 every day easily by conducting Google searches. We're going to use the website mindsumo.com to earn this money today. This is the amount they provide you just for accepting each offer, and the offers can be for a few $100s or tens of thousands of dollars. You can see the many well-known companies that use this website when you go to its main page, which is where you'll find them. On the screen, you can see them for yourself. They include Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Adidas, Facebook, and a long list of other companies. Now, the way this website operates is that, as you can see, each challenge has a set deadline, and that deadline will be divided among the top suggestions or search results. Now, how does it function? For this particular one, all you have to do is do a Google search and offer a valuable suggestion. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process. Now, when you have all the required documents, simply click Have an Idea to share your suggestion. You and everyone else who contributed to have good ideas will receive a reward when it is finished. If you look at this other deal over here, they paid $1,600 for all of these individuals and paid each $166.70. The best 5 responses receive $1,000 in this system. The next 7.5% will receive $400, while the next 12.5% will receive $200. Even if you only make $200 here, it's still worthwhile for something you can easily look for on Google and submit without putting in any work at all. You must register on the website because $200 is a significant sum of money, and all you have to do is click Login, Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter your email address and password, or you can sign in using Facebook or Twitter. But I advise against doing that. It is far preferable to simply start a brand new account. You just need to click Don't Have an Account and you'll be taken to this page. First and last name, location, email address, birthday, gender, and creative, marketing, and technical skills. They'll ask you to agree to all of these, but don't choose all of them. If you click on the first 3 selections, they'll sign you up for a newsletter, which probably you don't want. So just click the last 3 here that says, Are you accepting the terms and conditions? First name, last name, location, and country can all be entered without regard to the person's origins. Enter your birthday, password, gender, and email address, so this is the option you want to select under creativity, marketing, and technical skills. You will select high proficiency. Click those selections and they should have all the same option. Once all the other fields have been completed, simply click the I'm not a robot button and sign up. You will be asked to choose between I'm a company or I am a problem solver as soon as you sign up. They will give you an introduction, and if you choose some training here, these videos are provided for your convenience. You are not required to watch them though. But their purpose is to prepare you to choose the best solutions, so please don't feel pressured. Now I simply scroll to the very bottom of the page and select View Current Challenges. As you can see, they have a deadline when you land on this page. When you visit the website, if you choose this option here where it says All, it has the completed ones and it's going to show Complete. Reviewing are the ones that have already closed and they're reviewing the answers. Closing soon are the ones that are going to close soon, and these are the ones that have a lot of time left. For instance, this one has 3 days left and it's going to show closing soon. To take one, all you need to do is click on the one that you want to take. As soon as you get to this page, leave it for a while since we need to look for solutions. This is what they want, so we'll search Google for a solution to this. The better your response, the bigger the pay. I'll simply copy this and paste it into Google. I'm just going to open this website because, as you can see, it was the first result that appeared. You are not required to pick just one, even though most people undoubtedly do. Choose many articles if you want to. You must then download it as a PDF and submit it to the website. You may combine them using Google Docs, which I'll show you how to do as well. Now let's proceed properly. This is the only portion of the first article I found that I'm going to copy. Now, they don't really require an entire article, and they just need the outcome. So I'll just copy this and this. Make sure you're copying the best parts. And as of right now, I'm just sort of copying everything, but when you do this, please be careful to read it and see how it all works. After copying it, go to docs.google.com and paste it into your Google Doc. Now let's search for a different one. This one is the one I want to click on, and once again, we're looking for outcomes rather than causes. I'm going to duplicate this and this as well. Afterwards, I'll paste it here after scrolling down on my docs. We can add something else to make it even bulkier and have more information, then repeat the procedure. Remove anything that isn't necessary, such as shop buttons or pictures. Now once you're done, read it over and take off any links to make it look more professional. Google Docs is a professional thing since they even have this outline over here on the left. Anyone can access it, and it is simple to use. Now we're going to download it as a PDF right now. Download the article as a PDF once you've finished curating it. The PDF document will be downloaded to the computer when you click Download in the File menu in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Now returning to mindsumo.com, let's select I have an idea. Do you currently use any cream serum or any other products to treat around your eyes? I'll just select No, and then type in the title of your topic. Go to your Google Drive account where you want to save the file. You already have a Google Drive account if you use Gmail. Simply visit Gmail to establish a new Gmail account if you don't have one. Now all you need to do to get started is choose a username and create a new Gmail account. Once you've finished, upload the PDF you downloaded in the following manner. It will be uploaded to your Google Drive account if you simply drag and drop it there. Once it has been uploaded, right-click and select Share to acquire a link to it. Remove the option that says Restricted by clicking Share. This individual who clicks on the link won't be able to view the file if you leave it in this format. Now to make it visible to anyone who clicks on the link, click this and then anyone with the link. Then go back to MindSumo and paste the link after copying it from here. They're not giving me the option because this new account I made is brand new, so we'll just copy the entire thing. They will give you the chance to paste the link once you have submitted more articles to them. But you can't do that because this is a fresh account. So let's simply return to the Google Doc where the article was first produced, click Ctrl+C and everything on this page will be copied. Return to MindSumo after copying everything and put it in this box marked Enter Your Solution here. Copy the links to all of the sources you have here where it says Sources and take note of the articles we copied from. For example, this, and this one. And copy the links to those articles. If you want to add another one, simply click Add Another Source and it will offer you the option to do so. Simply go to the search page, copy the link, and then paste the URLs here where it says Sources, and when finished, press Submit. In this particular example, I would have to wait an additional 8 days until they review all of the submitted answers. After then, I would be able to receive payment for whatever the value of the offer that they are making. Exactly like all of the individuals you see right here on the screen. They will give you the choice to add your bank account, PayPal account, or whatever method you like to be paid by after you have finished one offer and they have paid you for the first time. Now just in case you missed something in this video, let me walk you through it again. The first thing you must do is register for a MindSumo account. Finding an offer that you want to take is the second thing you must do. The third step is to visit Google and find the deal you must complete, such as this one. Copy it to Google and check the results of their search. As soon as you have all of the solution, compile them into a Google Doc file. When you return to MindSumo to respond to the question, they will ask you to paste your article because it is a new account. Now once you've done that, you can copy and paste normally. This is just necessary for the first few times. Simply wait or accept another offer after that. And this is a fairly amazing deal. And getting the money is so simple that you hardly have to do any work. There is no doubt that you should benefit from this.